Right there, this has fixed it. I've got a number of shoes that I need to repair, and I've tried out some standard glue, but nothing appears to stick very long. Makes an absolute mess when you try and get it off again. I was out doing some of my disability support work and took Pascal out, and there's quite a significant walk, and whilst I was walking there was a funny noise and the sole had come off the front of my shoe. I've taken it off completely now. Perfectly good pair of shoes, but no sole, so that's no good. So I've ordered some glue that people are saying is proper shoe glue from Amazon. So here's the box, so I better open it up. Managed to get in. Let's have a look. Some paper inside. And then there's a tin of glue. This is called Angelus Clear Shoe Cement. So I suppose what it's going to do is actually in the description. So I'm going to be giving this a test. I'll try it out on one of my inside shoes before I try it out on this huge shoe to see whether or not it works. Hopefully it will. And I'll tell you whether or not I recommend it. I'll put a link to this in the video description and also do one when I do the repairs on the shoes. Okay, so Angelus Clear Shoe Cement. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. There are over 650 to choose from, and all of them are like this, are jobs that I needed to fix. There's no eye candy. If you like the video, please use the super like below, which is the heart below the video, or go to the video description and buy me a coffee, because I'll need a coffee after this. Thanks for watching. Bye.